Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Good afternoon. In science, today our topic: can we care for our environment? Okay. Now this is a picture that shows up different things. Okay. This is beach is covered with litter, sewage is flowing into the sea. Okay. Here litter. Litter means the trash that we throw inside the sea. Look here, many things we put in throw inside the sea in water. Look, this is a box, and this bottles, and this is a plastic bag. Okay, sometime this plastic bag, this turtle eat this plastic bag, and this plastic bag don't go inside. It is inside the mouth. It is stuck, and then maybe it will be die. Okay, we shouldn't throw any trash or litter inside the water. Okay, because there's so many creature living inside the water. Okay, this trash or litter can damage their parts, or even sometime these living things die because of this. Now this is sewage. Sewage. This is our toilet water and water from kitchen. This is also go to the sea, and sometime water mixed with the chemicals also go to the sea. Okay, then some chemicals that is so dangerous, and when these living organisms drink that polluted water, okay, then they maybe become sick, or maybe they die. Okay, we must careful about this. We shouldn't throw anything that can damage our environment. Okay, we should neat and clean our environment. Okay, now here you can see, do you think litter and sewage can harm the wildlife near the beach? Yes, of course. The litter can also uh, harmful for the living organisms, and also sewage. Okay, now how we can protect our wildlife? We shouldn't throw any trash or any litter inside the sea or on the beach, and we shouldn't uh, throw this sewage into the water. Okay, otherwise many creatures will die. And next, here you can see, go outside and look around. For example, we go outside and look in the park. Here this is park. Look, many people come here. Look, people sit here, eat, and then throw this bottles and this packet, and this plastic bags, and many trash they throw here and went. They didn't take, because this is spoiling our environment. We should help our environment to be clean. Okay, here you can see the so many people spoil this environment. We shouldn't do this. Here these are environmental groups are groups of people who help to look after the environment. Look, here you can see the picture. In this picture, the people come, eat, and throw the trash on the ground and went. And this group of people, those cleaning the environment, okay, they go to different places. They take this plastic bag, and they look any trash or garbage or litter on the ground, they put in the this plastic bag and throw it outside. Okay, this is very good habit that we must be do. Okay, now here something I show you in our sheet. Look here, this lesson 2, number 1, pollution. What is pollution? When some harmful material mix with the environment is called pollution. Then how many kinds of pollution? There are three kinds of pollution. Number 1, water pollution. When some harmful material mix with water is called water pollution. Number 2, land pollution. When some harmful material mixes with land is called land pollution. Then number 3, air pollution. When some harmful material mixes with air is called air pollution. Okay, these are three kinds of pollution, that is spoil our environment. Okay, we shouldn't do this. Here, what we can do to be clean our environment. Number 1, we shouldn't cut the tree. Number 2, we should plant new trees. We should plant instead of cut that already grown. We should not drive more and more cars. We should not mix dirty water with the clean water. Okay, we should not this sewage throw to the fresh water. Okay, because already we don't have too much fresh water on the land. Next, we should clean our class, we should clean our homes, we should clean our parks, we should not throw litter everywhere. For example, we drink something, we don't throw on the road or on the way. We should put in the trash can. Okay, we should not destroy homes of birds, because when we cut down the tree, then many homes of the bird they finish. Okay, we should not throw trash in the water. Okay, here these are some ways that we can clean our environment. Okay boys, this is our topic today. You revise this again. See you later. Assalamu alaikum.